Joe has been working on trucks for a lot of years. It used to be easy, but lately things have gotten a lot more complicated. Trucks have gotten a lot more complicated. They now have multiple computers, hundreds of sensors, and advanced emission technology. Joe has a diagnostic laptop to help fix trucks, but he is missing another piece of the puzzle: repair information. Joe needs wiring diagrams, step-by-step fault code repair information, torque specifications, component locators, maintenance intervals, remove and replace instructions, labor time guides, and much more. The problem is that truck manufacturers have made this information hard to access and expensive to obtain. Fortunately, Joe found Diesel Repair. This platform allows Joe to access this information, which will allow him to fix trucks quicker. By using the Diesel Repair platform, Joe was able to track down the problem quickly and efficiently, which saved everyone time and money. Stop wasting time in your diagnostics and stop wasting money by guessing on what parts are causing problems. Use Diesel Repair to help fix trucks quicker. Click over to repair.diesellaptops.com to learn more.